Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a slide toggle inside HTML list. So what our target would be is to create a list, maybe using UL or OL, and then we will click on the parent list and the list inside it, which is a nested list, will toggle in between sliding up and sliding down. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a parent list, which I'll keep as UL. Inside it, I'll create a list item. Let me clear it like this. So it will be. Let's make it bike. Car. Airplane. And inside every list, I'm gonna fill another list, which will be like OL. Inside it, I'll create another list, which is a child list. Bike 1, bike 2, bike 3. Great. Just like that, we've got a child list inside bike. Similarly, I need to do for the car. OL, car 1, car 2, car 3. Let me align it properly. Next is our airplane. So let's make another 3 airplanes inside it. OL, and then just like this, 1, 2, 3. Let's see how this is looking like right now. Okay. Oh, Jquery has also come like that. I have to keep it here. Okay, that's fine. So what I want is when I click on the bike, the whole list inside it, which is bike 1, bike 2, and bike 3, should slide up and dissolve inside it, or you can say hide inside it. So similar should happen with other lists as well. So let's get started with the jQuery. So for jQuery, I have kept this script source, which you can get from W3 School. So as I want whole list to be clickable, so I'll create an ID for the list here. Let's make an ID parent list, just to say. So on click of parent, I need my script to run. Dollar parent list dot delegate so inside it I want the list item to be clicked and get its ID, and as it's a click event, so I'm going to say right click, then a function with the return of a value, which I'll explain you why I'm doing it. Everything seems fine by now. Let's see if everything is fine. Missing syntax. Okay, let's see that. Parent, this here. Alright, just for testing, I'm gonna create alert if my code is working for good practices. Refresh if I click on bike. So okay, that's not working. Okay, let me keep it like maybe that's the reason. Okay. Delegate. It should work now. That's weird, should work. Let's do one thing. Let's create another div here. Main. Cut it and put everything inside it. Okay, so that worked. Okay, so the UL didn't work properly. Okay, when I click on bike, it's showing me my alert message. So let's proceed further. So inside our value, I have to get the child. Like if I click on bike, I need its child, which is an OL, which we can see like this. Child of bike is OL. I need to make it slide up. So let's do one thing. I'm gonna create a variable for that. Parent equal to, oh, maybe we can create it like child. It's gonna be our child equal to value dot current target, which is rather than doing it, let's do it here. Sources, let's put a breakpoint and check if we're doing things right. So I'm gonna write value dot current target, which is a bike, amazing, and then dot first element child. That's nothing. So I'm gonna say it's our next element child. Great, so I need this one. So that's a better way of coding it. Oh, that's not required. Okay, so let's see if that's okay. Nothing wrong there. Okay, so I want this child to slide down and slide up. So child dot slide, we have this function. Let's see if this is working. Okay, did I write this correct spelling here? That's weird again. That should be working. Okay, main, click child, continue. Maybe, yeah, that's what I'm missing. Okay. Alright. Still, child is not defined. Oh, it has to be like this. I'm sorry about that. This sometimes get confused in JavaScript and Jquery. So, I think that's fine now. Alright, so that's working. So similarly, I can do this. So our list is toggling. I click back, my list drops back down. So if you feel that's too fast and you want it to slow down, you can put a number here. I think by default it's 200. Oh, maybe it's 400 only. So I'm not gonna make it 600 to see if there are any changes. That went a little slower than that. We can increase that as well. If you want some, yeah, that's better. That looks good. So that's it. So we have created our list. I'm gonna go through it again. So this is our header and body. Inside the body I've created a nested list, which is a UL with list name by car and list, which we can see here. Then inside it I created a nested list, this one and this one, with names like bike 1, bike 2, bike 3. So on a click of bike 1, which is here, I can click anywhere. Like if I click here, it will get the name of the list only. So this is the one. Because of main, I have queried it in Jquery, and it's a click event in which the value has been returned. The value would be anything that has been clicked will be received here. And we're specifying this function in such a way that we get the information of a list only. Alright, so in our child I've got the next element sibling, which is the bike 1, and that has been toggled. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.